Hello, this is Mark Ellis, the trusted real estate advisor in Pasadena, California. This wonderful three-level townhome is in a very convenient location in the beautiful city of Pasadena. The pride of ownership is obvious given the beautiful hardwood floors, remodeled kitchen, and bathrooms. This cute home includes a cozy fireplace, central heating and air system, and remote-controlled ceiling fans. In addition, the oven, microwave oven, and dishwasher are included along with the washer and dryer, plus the community pool and jacuzzi. Trash pickup, gardening, private garage parking, and guest parking inside the gated community are also included. There is a patio off the living room and a balcony off the master bedroom, plus a walk-in closet. A landing at the top of the stairs offers additional space for a desk or other creative ideas. This cozy home is walking distance to Old Town Pasadena, restaurants, retail stores, and Metro. If you or someone you know is interested, give me a call, 626-318-6844. Thank you.